Why does my brain feel like it's running a million miles per hour?
Well, there could be a lot of reasons for that. If you're emotionally exhausted, like patients आके हमें बोलते हैं कि doctor, I feel emotionally exhausted. I feel like 500 tabs are open in my mind. I just can't make myself do anything, right? It could be because of ADHD. It could be because of anxiety. Sometimes it could be manic episode also. So जैसे एक patient आता है वो हम लोगों को बोलते हैं कि मेरे दिमाग में 500 चीज़ें चल रही है एट द सेम टाइम कि मुझे ये भी करना है, आई नीड टू डू दिस ऑल्सो, आई नीड टू गेट दिस डन एज वेल, राइट? एंड आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली रूमिनेटिंग, आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, and I just can't shut myself. Yeah, and they literally say that. No, one patient came and told me, doctor, I wish मेरे पास एक switch on switch off button होता मेरे दिमाग के लिए, just so that when I really wanted to switch off, I could switch off.
To sleep, 1,000 thoughts are there, and it's like,
And it's non-stop.
It's non-stop.
And that happens even when you sleep.
Yeah.
Your brain
so
will
that's why
constantly
you also get
sleep.
nightmares and panic attacks at night.
Yeah. So if it is because of underlying anxiety, just maybe talk to yourself, talk to a near and dear one, a friend. If there is something which is bothering you, try to see what is that one thing that you can do to fix that issue. If it is because of ADHD, then make sure you visit a mental health expert, or if nothing really works, then just go to a doctor and talk it out.